Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Shahina's Lifestyle. Today's video is going to be a food review video. Right now I'm in Romansiah restaurant. This restaurant is famous for Mandi foods like Mutton Mandi, Chicken Mandi, Mutton Kapsa, Mutton Mathoot and etc. Actually so many people back there in India are doing a review about Mandi foods, and the restaurants are also now providing Mandi just like regular biryani. So now you're going to see the original Mandi with the original flavor all the way from Saudi Arabia. So let's check out. Romansiah restaurant is a very popular restaurant and it's operational since 20 years in Saudi Arabia. It has so many branches all over Saudi Arabia. Most of the Saudi people prefer to eat Mandi rice from Romansiah only. There are so many other outlets, but this is the most liked by many people. Now let's talk about the origin of Mandi rice. This popular and tasty Mandi rice was first originated in Yemen country. And Yemen country is in the southernmost part of Saudi Arabia, and from there only this popular and tasty Mandi rice has spread all over the Saudi Arabia and even in other Gulf countries. This is how the setup looks like inside the Romansiah restaurant. We Muslims prefer to eat our food sitting on the floor, which so many of them are not following these days. But this is the Sunnah way of eating your food. Not only Muslims, even Chinese and Japanese, they prefer to eat their food sitting on the floor, which has a lot of good health benefits and also aids to good digestion. We had ordered one mutton mandi which costs 69 riyal and one chicken madhoot which cost 18.5 riyals. Now my husband is gonna unwrap the mutton mandi. So let's see what all the items you will find inside this mandi platter. Okay, this is how the mandi platter looks like. You will get a slice of lemon. If you want to squeeze in the lemon, you can use it. And you'll get one large red chili. If you ask for it, they'll give you this red chili. This is not spicy at all. It kind of tastes a little bit sweet. And you'll get some spaghettis. This spaghetti we never eat it because this is nothing in front of the yummy slow cooked mutton and tasty mandi rice. So we never touch that spaghetti. And if you ask, they'll give you goat intestine and other goat parts like liver and etc. So my husband had asked for this goat's intestine, which is kind of wrapped like a bundle, and some yummy mutton pieces with the bones. Meat nearer the bones are very sweeter. Guys, I don't know how to describe it. It's really beyond my words because the mutton is extremely soft and gooey. I can tear it using my 3 fingers because we have got this mutton pieces with the bones and goat fat. So it's extremely soft and tasty. And this white sauce that I'm using is called tahina. Tahina is made out of sesame seeds. Basically, white sesame seeds are only used to make this tahina. I'm gonna take my first bite. So here you go. Look at the texture of the mutton. I'm completely in love with this. Mandi is basically cooked inside a pit. They'll dig a pit on ground and they will put the seasoned goat with some rice inside the pit, and they'll slow cook it for up to 3 to 4 hours. And that's why this mutton is extremely soft and tasty and juicy. I'm gonna have a bite with the gooey goat fat and I love it. We finished the entire mutton mandi and it was extremely tasty. Now it's chicken madhoot's turn. We are almost full. I don't think we'll be able to eat this entire chicken Mathoot platter, but let's try. So this is how the chicken Mathoot will look like. We had ordered for half chicken with rice. You can either go for half chicken Mathoot or full chicken Mathoot. This is 18.5 riyal. And this rice is slightly spicier and flavorful than Mutton Mandi rice. Mutton Mandi rice is completely white in color with less spices. Look at how the chicken leg piece is falling apart as soon as I pull it, because everything is slow cooked. None of them are cooked on a fast basis. I'm full and I couldn't take another bite. So my husband is shoving a handful of rice inside my mouth forcefully, and I'm a bit angry on him. Gava is a must after eating mandi rice because this will help in breaking down the fats in the food that you had consumed. Even you can drink Gava on a daily basis if you want to reduce weight, because this is a coffee variety and it will also boost up your metabolism. If you are interested to know what are the other items that you will get in Al Romansiah restaurant, here is the snapshot of the menu brochure. The time is 1 a.m. midnight and my husband is all singing because he's so happy. He always becomes so happy after eating mandi rice because he loves it. If you like this video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until we meet in another interesting video, take care and stay healthy.